Hello and welcome to another Electric World video featuring the latest news about EV world. This time, we will be discussing hot updates on the much discussed Giga Berlin delay and the upcoming all-electric Ford F-150 pickup truck. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. It helps you get notified when we post more content just like this. Let's get started. Giga Berlin is Tesla's first European-based factory, and Model Y crossover production is planned to start later this year. However, according to reports from Germany, Tesla's German EV manufacturing facility has to be delayed about 6 months due to various constraints relating to battery pack production. However, Economic Minister Jörg Steinbach, who has been one of Tesla's most vocal supporters in their attempt to open the German plant, is skeptical of the 6-month wait. According to Steinbach, Tesla is still on schedule for a late summer or early autumn start at Giga Berlin. Delays at Giga Berlin are nothing new to those who have been following the site's development over the last 18 months. And after Elon Musk's announcement in late 2019, Tesla began land preparations in January 2020, only to begin erecting the facility's mainframe a few months later. Owing to the COVID-19 pandemic and certain application holdups that needed initial approval before Tesla could go forward, the site has experienced several short-term delays. According to the recent news from Germany, Tesla will face a longer-term delay because battery pack output will not allow for vehicle production. Many news sources have quoted a report from Automobile Walk claiming that the German manufacturing plant will not be operating until January 2022. According to the source, company circles close to Elon Musk state that the CEO is approving the January 2022 date, even though Musk stated only last week during the Q1 2021 earnings call that limited production will occur at both Giga Berlin and Giga Texas this year. Musk said, "We're building factories as fast as we can. Both Texas and Berlin are making good progress, and we expect limited production from those factories this year, and volume production from Texas and Berlin next year." Economic Minister Jörg Steinbach, a well-known politician who has been ecstatic about Tesla's entrance into the German economy, is among those who disagree with those reports. Steinbach told Teslarati yesterday that he has no idea where the rumors of a 6-month delay are coming from. Giga Berlin, on the other hand, will be delayed for approximately 3 months, according to him. In an interview with Teslarati, Steinbach said, "I don't understand how someone will come up with a 6-month delay. If nothing out of the ordinary occurs, I expect production to begin late summer or early autumn." Although Tesla has shared some disappointment with the German approval process, it is not uncommon for something to take several years to receive final approval. Last week, Teslarati talked with German engineer and Tesla enthusiast Alex Voigt, who said that many projects require 3 to 5 years to get final approval. The basis of the delay seems to be based on a delay in 4,680 cell production in Berlin, but the German factory's battery line was never intended to support the initial vehicle development efforts. Tesla's Cato Road plant in Northern California is just a short distance from the Fremont plant, where Tesla has been manufacturing cars since 2012. According to Drew Baglino, Tesla's senior VP of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, this is where the company is refining and developing the 4,680 battery cell, which varies greatly from the batteries Tesla currently uses in terms of power and performance, and it will help Tesla's initial efforts in Berlin. During the Q3 2020 earnings call, Baglino said, "We can integrate 4,680 design solutions into many applications in time in both energy and vehicle, and we will use our pilot production facility in Fremont to support the new factory in Berlin as it ramps." Tesla's addition of its 4,680 battery cell manufacturing line to its application was only submitted last week, so the delays at Giga Berlin could be confused with something as simple as an extended timetable. The additional portions of the application would necessitate more time for regulators to consider. If this additional investment now flows into the permit application, it goes without saying that the application documents must be revised, and then the approval authorities have the final say. Brandenburg's Prime Minister Dietmar Woidke said, Tesla is still on track to begin production and deliveries of the Giga Berlin this year. As mentioned in the most recent update letter, and the timeline remains on track for late 2021. Paint, stamping, and casting machinery, among other things, is still being moved into the building. Meanwhile, we will continue to increase import volumes into Europe. Let's continue our video with the upcoming all-electric Ford F-150 pickup truck update. According to a Ford document provided by a source to Car and Driver, Ford has decided to use the F-150 Lightning name for its upcoming fully electric F-Series models, which will go on sale in 2022. The name F-150 Lightning was previously applied to a series of high-performance models of the F-150 that were produced from 1993 to 2004. And the use of this very electric label may not be a stretch even by those predecessors' performance benchmarks. At least some models of the F-150 Lightning are supposed to have a dual-motor all-wheel drive, and Ford said in September that the electric F-150 will have more horsepower and torque than any F-150 currently on the market. So far, Ford hasn't provided any further information about the F-150's performance. However, in 2019, it demonstrated a prototype electric F-150 towing 10 table-decker rail cars weighing more than 1 million pounds, a total of 1,000 feet. Though it did not confirm that this represented components or gearing to be provided to the production configuration. When Ford placed the large 351 Windsor 5.8-liter V8, which first made its debut in the 1969 Ford Mustang Mach-1 into its truck bestseller in the 1990s, it was given the name Lightning. It was last seen on the 1999 to 2004 Ford F-150 when it used a hand-built, specially tuned, supercharged 5.4-liter V8 engine. It was EPA rated at 14 miles per gallon combined back then, which translates to 13 miles per gallon today. The F-150 Lightning will not be the company's first try to boost its performance heritage. It comes on the heels of the recent release of the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E, as well as the Mach-E GT and GT Performance. Ford has also stated that, like the Mach-E, the electric F-150 will have an enormous front truck capable of hauling hundreds of pounds, and it will continue to improve over time due to fast over-the-air updates. We don't expect Ford to reach for high-range numbers with the F-150 Lightning, and we'll be shocked if the model goes any further than 300 miles of EPA-rated range in top form. Towing could reduce the range. Expect 60% of the truck's usual range while towing a large road based on EV owner feedback. But sources say Ford is considering a bed-mounted range extender. Ford has dropped suggestions that the electric F-150 will be a more economical truck that can be produced in greater volume than other alternatives, with Ford CEO Jim Farley stating in November that Ford's new EVs will not be as dramatic as a $100,000 retail off-roader, a jab to the GMC Hummer EV, but that it aims for a bigger impact. The F-150 Lightning would be powered by batteries and motors built in Michigan and shared with the upcoming E-Transit electric vans. The battery cells for the F-150 Lightning will be sourced from a recent SK Innovation plant in Georgia rather than from overseas. What other futuristic sounding or electric savvy badges from the past should make a comeback? Electra, Buick, Futura, Ford, Galaxy, Ford, and Javelin AMC, Stellantis are among our favorites. Are we missing some? Please let us know in the comment section below. That was all for today and the latest news we knew about Tesla, and thanks for watching the video. If you want to continue to learn about everything regarding Tesla's next projects and Elon Musk or electric vehicles, we've got 2 more video options for you on the screen to check out. And don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and subscribe to our Electric World channel for daily content just like this.